Howdy everyone, this is Alex from AHC Drone Services, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Mavic Air 2 video files not being imported into your video editor. For those of you who can do things by yourself, the solution's real easy. All you have to do is convert the MP4 files into a .mov. But for those of you who are unsure if this is your issue, I'm just going to show you an example here. So here I just have a little folder here. These are the .mp4 files. If I can hover over this, yes. So it's a .mp4 file. So I'm going to just try and import these. Nothing happens. Doesn't import. But if I go here, select the same ones except they're converted into MOVs. There. So as you can see, you're going to need to convert these into a .mov, and this is really simple and really easy. First, get a video converter. This is the one that I use, WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe. You don't have to buy it. You can just click the download free trial, or you can use an online video converter. I'm not going to vouch for anything else or anything online. There's no really online preferred ones that I have. But all you have to do is download this, go to WinX, import all your files, and select the .mov convert. So it'll convert the MP4s to a .mov, and then you should be able to import your .mov video files. This will work with DaVinci Resolve. I'm just using Movavi here because this is what I usually use, and I hope this helps. If it has, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Hi, so for those of you who don't know how to use WinX and need a visual tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to do it. So we're going to go to the video. It'll ask me to add video once it loads. I'm just going to use the same ones that I used before. Just going to open. So you'll be asked to, when you first open up WinX, you'll be asked to choose a profile. You're just going to scroll down to MOV, which this is going to be your output. And you can either choose high quality or low quality. I always choose high quality because that's just what I do for people who buy my services. So yeah, it's up to you how you want to do that, but then you click OK, and then it'll say target MOV movie, and then you can just click run. I'm not going to do that because I already converted these. But yeah, so that should be how to use WinX. Thank you for watching.